Hi, I'm Evan, Client Solutions Manager, and welcome to another Ground Control product showcase. Let's get into it. If you're building drones for inspection, logistics, industrial monitoring, or defense applications, you already know reliable connectivity is one of the biggest challenges. Around population centers, RF, Wi-Fi, and cellular links often work fine. But when you move into remote environments, things become tricky. The signal drops and suddenly your drone's effectively out there on its own. Most drone manufacturers we work with tell us they need connectivity that doesn't depend on a single network. Or they can't afford extra weight or power draw. Weight, mounting, and connectors all matter. They don't want a closed box. They want control over how their data moves. We've built the RockREMOTE UAV series with exactly those conversations in mind. These are the RockREMOTE UAV and RockREMOTE UAV OEM devices. Both use the Iridium Certus 100 Certus over the Iridium Low Earth Orbit satellite network, which provides truly global coverage, low latency, and no coverage gaps wherever you are, so long as you have a clear view of the sky. They provide a secure satellite path for C2, telemetry, and payload data where other networks fail. They provide this at the midband speeds of 22 kilobits per second up and 88 kilobit per second down. The enclosed version is compact, rugged, and IP66 rated, so it's ready for exposed installs. Think drone docks, larger UAVs, and mobile command setups. It's tough enough to live outdoors, but light enough to fit inside a drone body or ground enclosure. The OEM version has the same capabilities, but in a board level format for direct integration. Both are designed for easy integration with Ethernet for IP connectivity, plus serial and GPIO connectors. Both are designed for easy integration. The GPIOs can trigger events or manage power states, and the Ethernet LAN interface means your flight computer just talks standard TCP or UDP over IP. No proprietary middleware or tunneling required, so you can route existing MAV-link or other telemetry protocols straight over the Certus link. They're engineered for low power operation during transmission and much less when idle, somewhere in the region of 1/4 of a watt in receive and around 7 watts average in transmit, making them extremely power efficient compared to other satellite terminals. You can use them in two ways: IP and IMT, depending on how you move data. IP mode's what most people expect, continuous IP traffic for C2. IMT, or Iridium Messaging Transport, is lighter, perfect for short bursts, event reporting, or sending compact mission data. It's a more efficient way of using the satellite link, so it draws less power and is more economical. You can switch between the two, or use them side by side, depending on which suits your data requirements better. It's completely flexible. If your main link's cellular, your router or companion computer manages that handoff. When the signal drops, you can configure your system to fall back to RockREMOTE as the primary satellite path. These devices are built for what matters most: control, status, and staying connected. So you have peace of mind with reliable C2 and compliant BVLOS connectivity. Our Cloudloop platform manages remote configuration, message delivery, data usage, compliance records for audit, and link status across your fleet. It's an API-first solution, so you can integrate, monitor, and manage through your own software stack. So, to be clear, we don't build flight controllers or autonomy stacks. That's your domain. We're experts in connectivity that works when nothing else does. If you're designing drones or remote systems that need to stay connected beyond terrestrial networks and you want a partner that understands the engineering trade-offs, talk to us. Whether that's direct integration with the OEM version or the onboard or dock-mounted setup with the enclosed version, we'll help make satellite work for you. So, for a chat with our technical team or to find out more, email us at hello@groundcontrol.com and we'd be more than happy to help.